Alright, we just got the samples. We're gonna look at the samples right now.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god!
Bro.
As you can tell. As you can tell.
Take one.
What's going on, guys? I just got home from work and picked up the package. So this is the sample that we've been waiting for months. Actually, the delivery is very fast. It's just the process of getting the sample. The process takes long. The delivery, the shipping itself, like takes less than 2 weeks. And I'm very excited, but at the same time, though, I'm so scared to open it because it's our very first package from our manufacturer. I already know that there's some changes needs to be made. Man, how do you open this? Oh, there you go. So this shit is actually freaking harder than I thought. Okay, there you go. There you go. Yeah, I gotta be more aggressive to it. I think they like quadruple the amount of tape that they use. We got our first hoodie set. Hoodie and sweatpants. Look at that. It's embroidered silver. This is heavy. I guess it comes with the set with the sweatpants and a hoodie. That's why it's kind of like, it feels very heavy because it comes with one set. But so that's one. We got our dark green. I think this is the medium size. There's no design in it, so it's just a blank hoodie with the correct sizing for medium. We're gonna find that out. Later. This right here. Whoa. This is the heaviest, but this one right here is a large set. Got the hoodie and the sweatpants as well. And our large is not ordinary large. Our large is larger than large, but smaller than XL. So it's kind of like in between large and XL. So it's pretty big. It's pretty big. Can't wait to open all this up and let you all know. So I'll see you guys later. Ya ini aja.
See Vito's.
Vito with this girl.
He's calling to go to you. He's like 2 minutes away.
To them?
No, they're here.
That's crazy, bro.
Hey! Hey!
Yo.
Turn around.
The first sample, bro.
Turn around.
It's not that bad. Come on, we got a lot of work too.
Yeah.
Ayo.
Oh, you gotta look at the camera though and react.
Yeah, you gotta look at the camera for it.
Look at the camera and react.
Say hi to camera.
You're not reacting.
There's not even a mic on that bitch.
There's. Oh yeah, there's no mic for
Exactly, bitch.
it. Yeah, there's no mic.
So-
Start over there.
Not worth need to do anything.
I think it's the dumbest person I ever seen in my life. For real, bro.
Oh wait. Oh shit! I didn't fucking realize. Hold on. That's a hoodie?
Yeah, bro, it's the first sample, bro.
Oh shit.
You fucking retard.
Wait.
Biar gua tahu warnanya sebeda apa. Sigma. Guys, shut the fuck up. Alright, we just got the samples. We're gonna look at the samples right now.
Enggak, gue terakhir lah.
Okay, Shah, show us the pants right now.
Medium sweatpants.
Medium sweatpants. Can you give us a quick 360? Obviously, there's some like mistakes.
It needs to be bigger, bro.
Like that logo, it needs to be bigger. Like the color is not
Really? I feel like the
what we wanted
logo
and
size-wise
stuff.
is fine.
Here we got the small hoodie
Small size.
again, but it's not washed, so like it feels different. Like it feels different, but we still got all the elements over here.
Emang semua scrub kan kayak gini semua, weh?
And then we got the medium right
You need to
here.
wear the shirt underneath.
But wait, I don't understand why like there's no logos on the medium.
It's because
we originally ordered this too.
Yeah.
But I already know we're gonna fucked up on this one. Jadi kayak sekalian go order. So like might as well order the medium size without the stitching on it. So it's quicker. If I want to have like the embroidery on it, it's gonna take like a whole like a month to do it. So like the embroidery, we already know like what's it like with the small and a large size. We just need the correct color and the size for medium just to like figure out for revision.
Okay, show them the large.
The big ass one, I'm keeping that shit.
Our very first sample.
Hi guys, so
That is the large one. Look at, bro.
As you can tell, the hood is literally this big.
It's either the hoodie is too big or Michel too small.
Hey! Fully dripped out and
I think I'm just too small.
Coba turn around.
Yo, we got medium size. Yeah, we got large size.
That's small.
Shit's supposed to be like 29, 28. Fucking. This shit. It is 59. The shoulder part. It's not. That doesn't make sense. It's fucking belly button.
TikTok, everything. We've been having
Oh my god, he's coming, he's coming
too
out.
much day off.
He's coming out.
Hey, I knew you were looking. Hey, what about the chain top hat? No camera. Wait. Oh, yeah. No.
Chain top too big for me, right?
No, it's too big. And we're using the stairs, by the way. Up.
So yeah, meeting recap, ladies and gentlemen. We identified the problems in the small size hoodie. Wait, do you want me to go all over? The hoodie for the small size is too cropped, it's too short. And the measurement, I fucked it all up for the pockets, the shoulder drop, and the width of the bottom cut. We're also gonna make adjustments for the hood, the elastic bands on the wrist and waist. Also, we're gonna make adjustments for the color and for the embroidery. So yeah, we got that done. And we're gonna add a couple centimeters to the length and to the hoodie, just a tad. like 2 centimeters and 2.5 for every like measurements or shoulder drop and for the width of the waist. And we're gonna figure out how we're gonna make the color better. And yeah, embroidery is just too bright. So yeah, and the cherry top logo, it's like perfect. So yeah. They told me bust on my AP, perfect time.
This is his position the whole time. He was where we at meeting.
Calm down.
Are you gonna tell the viewers where you playing?
Calm down.
Where you
Adventure
playing?
Time Balloons, Tower Defense.
What is that?
Adventure Time Balloons, Tower Defense.
I don't know if they make a fucking game anymore, bro.
Yeah, got Finn and Jake and Princess Bubblegum.
So we got our revision done, and also I nominate. Also, let me be the camera. Revision done. I'll see you guys next time.